Well, it's sure nice to see the sun back out, knowing that summer is just around the corner from us now. Hey everyone, how we doing? Louis Vlogs and Games here. Welcome to vlog number 138 of the vlog series, and a very happy bank holiday Monday to you all. And what other way to spend the day off of school today to go down to Stourport-On-Severn to spend a couple of hours there, go on the fun fair and check out a few things as well, because that's what we have planned for our bank holiday Monday. So let's get all the fun activities started as we'll meet you guys over at Stourport. Well, there we are then. We just made it to Stourport-On-Severn. Parking was an absolute pain in the ass as we found 3 parking lots, couldn't get the parking. One was only for 2 hours, but was going to be spending most of the day here anyways. But since we just arrived into Stourport, I guess we'll get the fun action started. What are we doing first, Lowen?
Football!
Yeah, sure. I thought we'd do a little bit of football on the grass for a bit while we wait for a few of our mates to be coming around. We're also going to be joined by Harry, Monty and also Toadley that will be joining us later on in the vlog. So we'll enjoy some time to ourselves for a bit until they arrive.
So I thought we'd be doing a little bit of football and sketch during the time here, since the amusement centres are rather busy at the moment, so I thought we would do those things later as they get a bit quieter. And we're just waiting for a few other friends to come down to see us, and then we will go into the amusements.
Later.
So it turns out a few of our lads has finally arrived, so I thought we would play a couple of football games with them, including a game that we only have to have the ball bounce once on the floor but not twice, trying to keep the ball high in the air for most as you can and not let it hit the grass twice. Wow, turns out we just had a little slip up there from Alan right there. There's a few more kicking around before I decided to join the last half an hour of the match.
Yes.
Right, that'll wrap football for today.
Right then, so we just spent about an hour just playing football on the field, and now the exciting part has come. We're going to have food last, but we're now going to...
The fair! The fair!
We're on about the fun fair at the other side of the bridge. We won't do the one in front of us because that's mostly aimed for the little children, and we like a lot of amusement stuff on the other side. Let's walk over there now. What way should we take, y'all? Should we go up the staircase or go through the tunnel?
I think tunnel.
Go through the tunnel.
Choosing tunnels over the streets. Yeah, it's mostly busy over on the Stourport Road, so we decided to duck under these.
Oh, can I get through there? That's too short, that's too.
There's more.
And turns out Claire has chose the wrong tunnel, as the other side is way too small for her to bend over and break her spine, so taking the other way was the better choice.
Come on, ladies! Don't bash your head on the way out.
I will try.
You wouldn't.
Luckily all of us has managed to get under the bridge, and here we are now at Treasure Island Fairground. So let's get ourselves some tokens and go on some rides for a bit.
Right, if you're going to hear me over the music, we've just gotten our tokens and now we're going to go on some few rides. What are we doing first?
I'm doing a swing with Lowen.
Sure thing, let's do the swing first, as that's an all-time favourite here at this amusement centre. And hold on just a sec. Did we forgot to mention that I'm actually recording this off of a laptop? Yeah, this is on my GoPro, but sadly my GoPro broke. And I couldn't be able to save the videos off iSmart DV, so instead I'm going to have to record the GoPro videos on the laptop instead. Right, let's get back to the main vlog now, as the swing ride is just starting. And we have reached our highest limit on the swing. Now we get to enjoy some magnificent views of Stourport and the amusement centre from down under. Even Monty is having a blast on this ride. He's having a lot of fun.
There we go, boys. What's up? Enjoyed that? Flipping out, I feel a bit sick after that.
Right, just done the swings and... No joke, right, I've done this 2 weeks ago at the Worcester Fair. I was literally about to be sick. Should we give it a go? Oh, go on then.
this ain't gonna go well. You lot know me well. I do not like the Walters at all. It is really spinny, very quick, and you can easily get sick if you're not into spinny rides like this. So, here's all of us. We managed to get 5 people onto one cart, although we can only allow 4, but we decided to squeeze Monty on anyways. But now, the nightmare has just started, the ride is beginning, and I'm not going to enjoy the spinniness, and I'm already getting dizzy. It turns out the D&B is rocking the waters today. I'm not enjoying this at all. It's now time for one last ultimate spin. And thank God, the ride is finally over. I can't even feel anything right now. And oh my days, look at the laughs.
What the hell, man?
What was that? Anyway, that was. Oh my God! Stop it! I just sent it to Claire. No, please stop! Get me off! Get me off! No, please stop! Stop it! Mate. Back to the video. Oh, flipping out. I feel exhausted after being on that. No thanks. I'm not doing that anymore. Right, I think Harry's filming a ride. I'm not doing any more rides because I feel already a bit sick. So let's see what Harry's doing with the GoPro. How's this took over the channel, y'all? The channel's now becoming Harry Vlogs and Games instead of H3AG.
So this is the ride called Freak Out. It's another one of those swing rides, but this time you're actually spinning around and going very high back and forth. It's another one of those dizzy rides, so I didn't feel like doing this one today.
Right, let's do one more ride, then we're going to wrap up since we only have 4 tokens left in here. Let's do it on the bumper cars, because we haven't done the bumper cars yet, and that's an old time classic, so let's get that one out of the way.
We cannot reject the bumper cars, so we have to give this one a go for our final ride, and we will be finished here today at Stourport Amusement Centre.
Right, so as we know, Marlo has not been on anything yet, but let's see if we can win a prize by hooking a duck, is it? Yeah, that's it.
You can hook a duck to either win a goldfish, an actual pet goldfish, or you can just take home a plushie. Let's see what Marlo's going to do with the ducks. And looks like Marlo has finally managed to pick up a duck after a couple of minutes trying to catch one. And this is what Marlo's taking home with him today.
Well, there we have it then. We just finished our whole experience here today at the amusement centre here in Stourport. I'm getting rather hungry now. I think we should go get some dinner now. So you've now joined us down here at Weatherspoons. I thought we won't end the vlog immediately, so I thought we'd add an extra few minutes onto the bank holiday vlog as we go get some dinner now at Weatherspoons. Let's go inside and find a table. So we have just got into Weatherspoons. Quite surprised, a little bit quieter than I expected, but we are about to get our food soon. What are we having then, Hazza?
Probably pizza.
Oh, I'm having the same thing. What do you have, Mont? Sausage. Oh yeah, whilst we're waiting, do you want to have a game of Uno on Roblox?
Yeah.
Uno. Right, one more card to go. And I win with a draw 5. Let's go. Surprisingly, the food came rather quickly. Lowen and Marlon managed to get their chips and their chicken nuggets. Lowen is having a bite.
Liking it, mate?
Now it's time for me to try out my pepperoni pizza, and this one was rather floppy indeed. What's this over here you've got?
A cheese pizza.
I love it, no pepperoni, it's not fancying it.
Nah.
I'll have all of this then. So we may as well play one more game of Uno, the real life version, to see who wins, and then we'll wrap up today's video. And I've already have to draw 6 cards because the 3 plus 2 cards right there.
That's 6. I know I counted 6.
Why all day? What do you mean?
Yeah. You got the bed too, yeah, you won.
And looks like Tony has won it.
So, since we're all finished with today's stuff, we're going to wrap up now. So, say thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you all did enjoy it. And if you want to see more videos like this, please ensure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next one. Till next time. Bye, guys. See ya.